Yeah, I think this is a very important, point. And there are two, again, I will divide this into two. One is the social, my surroundings and my relationship with the organization.
Yeah.
Let me take you one example here. So when I go to my office premise, I get more attached to the organization, right? I
Yeah.
get to see like different people. I get to talk, and many people I jump to each other on maybe corridor. A lot of things happens, right?
Yeah.
Now that pandemic has also got this has also got some negative aspect to it. A lot of people were laying off resources, right? There
Yeah.
was a layoff which is happening, and because I'm sitting a little bit external to the organization, so I'm not able to understand whether my importance to the organization is judged properly, or my work is being analyzed, or it's been visible to the leadership, or I am the person who is going to be out of the organization, right? This was there always, and
Yeah.
we also had a reduction in force, not with pandemic, but a normal process. So here, what I seen is that the leadership, how you manage your people comes a big handy things, right?
Yeah.
Like you need to have the first thing what we worked, see, we send a lot of emails, talking about unplugging and giving, asking them to go do these exercises or yoga. A lot of things happens, but the major important thing is that the people has to get informed what is happening,
Hmm.
right? Okay, yeah, you may not have a cup of tea, or you may not go for a weekend party, but you need to make sure that you connect with your people.
Yeah.
So this becomes a manager responsibility. So what we did from our side was, we made sure that, it's not that every day we are going to have a meeting and talking about, whether VPN connectivity or incidents. No, we simply have a get together, right? Virtual connect. Where
Yeah.
we take a topic, maybe take a topic of, somebody is getting married, very casual talk,
Hmm.
right? Through that casual talk, what we try to see that we try to give that, okay, see, look, you are important to the organization, right? What you are contributing is actually making organization to do great things, achieve great things.
Yeah.
So we divided work. Yeah, definitely there will be calls, a lot of call discussions and all, but there is also a more casual connect,
Yeah.
right? So this casual connect gives, like, like, unfortunately there were few team members which was impacted with COVID in my own team, right? So we make sure that we can communicate to the people. The HR comes into the play, we ask them, you are okay, do you want us to do something? Maybe there is an insurance help they required. So there was always a connect. So we have a
Yeah.
new WhatsApp group created, right? So it was not that the formal way. We try to go out of more
Okay.
into an informal way,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you can see me wearing beard and all. These are make sure that, look, see, I like this look, right? I try to have different looks every day, right? And I encourage them also, give me a different look, right? So look more casual, they will more relaxed. Otherwise
Yeah.
I have seen, when you think that your position is kind of, you don't know what is going to happen next, you will not enjoy anything, whether you
Enjoy.
work
Yeah.
from home, whether you are doing tier 3, tier 4, tier 5.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
security has to be instilled,
Yeah.
so that we can give it more casual way of doing or
Mhm.
interacting with the
Sure.